Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
Let's learn home appliances. Refrigerator,
Refrigerator,
freezer,
freezer,
microwave oven,
microwave oven,
toaster,
toaster,
blender,
blender,
electric kettle,
electric kettle,
coffee maker,
coffee maker,
food processor,
food processor,
dishwasher,
dishwasher,
rice cooker,
rice cooker,
induction cooktop,
induction cooktop,
oven,
oven,
air fryer,
air fryer,
slow cooker,
slow cooker,
washing machine,
washing machine,
table fan,
table fan,
vacuum cleaner,
vacuum cleaner,
steam cleaner,
steam cleaner,
iron,
iron,
clothes steamer,
clothes steamer,
television,
television,
home theater system,
home theater system,
air conditioner,
air conditioner,
ceiling fan,
ceiling fan,
space heater,
space heater,
hair dryer,
hair dryer,
electric toothbrush,
electric toothbrush,
water heater,
water heater,
electric shaver,
electric shaver,
air purifier,
air purifier,
security camera,
security camera,
smart doorbell,
smart doorbell,
sewing machine,
sewing machine,
generator.
generator.
Thanks for watching, kids. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.
Bye bye, cuties.